Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a new H11 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Remember to wear gloves when handling the new bulb. Oils from your skin can cause hot spots and lead to premature failure. Always ensure your replacement bulb is the correct type, whether it's halogen or LED, for optimal performance and safety. Next, we'll gain access to the bulb. Open your Jeep's hood and locate the two vertical plastic clips holding the top of the headlight assembly. Using a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool, gently pry these clips upward until they pop free. Be careful not to force them, as plastic tabs can break easily. Once the clips are removed, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly forward to create enough working space. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. First, twist the electrical connector counterclockwise to detach it from the old bulb. Then, remove the old bulb by twisting it counterclockwise from its socket. Take your new bulb, align its pins with the slots in the headlight socket, and gently push it in. Finally, twist the bulb clockwise until it clicks securely into place. For our final steps, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Gently push the headlight assembly back into its housing, ensuring all rubber grommets and mounting points are aligned. Snap the top plastic clips back into place until they fit flush. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test both the low and high beams to confirm they function properly and have even brightness. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.